Today we're taking a look at the Pocket 4 Pro Creator Combo and unboxing everything included in the package, and see which one wins the tracking battle. Let's open it up and see what comes inside. Right away, we find the carrying case. It's compact, well-designed, and provides a convenient way to store both the camera and all of the included accessories. It's always great to see a protective case included in the bundle. Now let's take a look at the camera itself. The Pocket 4 Pro features a dual lens design, giving creators more flexibility when shooting different types of content. Whether you're capturing wide landscapes, vlogs, or cinematic footage, the dual lens setup offers plenty of creative possibilities. Let's power it on. The startup process is quick and smooth, and the camera immediately feels premium and responsive. The display looks bright and sharp, making it easy to frame your shots and navigate through the menus. Moving on to the accessories, the first item we have is the magnetic fill light. This accessory attaches directly to the camera and is similar to the lighting module found on previous Pocket models. It's especially useful for low-light situations, helping to brighten your subject and improve overall image quality. Next, we have the wireless wrist remote. This allows you to control the camera remotely, making it much easier to capture content when you're filming yourself or working from a distance. The package also includes an extension rod, which provides extra reach and allows for more creative shooting angles. It's particularly useful for vlogging, group shots, and capturing unique perspectives. We also get a tripod. Simply attach it to the bottom of the camera or extension rod, and you'll have a stable setup ready for hands-free filming. Another useful accessory included in the Creator Combo is the wide-angle lens. It attaches magnetically and can be installed or removed within seconds. The lens expands your field of view, making it ideal for travel videos, landscapes, and action shots. You can also attach filters and other lens accessories for even more creative options. One exciting addition is the split-screen remote controller, which gives you greater control and monitoring capabilities while shooting. Finally, the package includes a charging cable and wrist strap. Overall, the Pocket 4 Pro Creator Combo provides a complete set of tools for creators who want to start filming high-quality content right out of the box. Let's take a look at the active track performance of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro and Insta360 LUNA Ultra. After watching the full comparison, let me know your winner in the comments below. Which camera impressed you the most in terms of image quality, stabilization, low light performance, features, and overall value? Team DJI Pocket 4 Pro or Team Insta360 LUNA Ultra? I'd love to hear your thoughts and see which camera gets the most votes. In this footage comparison, we put the DJI Pocket 4 Pro, DJI Pocket 4, and Insta360 LUNA Ultra head-to-head to see how they perform in real-world shooting. From bright daylight landscapes to challenging low-light scenes, each camera is tested for sharpness, dynamic range, color accuracy, stabilization, autofocus, and overall image quality. The Pocket 4 Pro stands out with its dual camera system, improved zoom performance, and excellent subject tracking, while the Pocket 4 continues to deliver reliable stabilization and natural-looking footage in a compact design. Meanwhile, the Insta360 LUNA Ultra impresses with its high-resolution recording, Leica-tuned color science, and versatile shooting options. Whether you're a travel vlogger, filmmaker, or content creator, this comparison highlights the strengths and weaknesses of each camera, helping you decide which compact gimbal camera offers the best image quality and overall value for your creative workflow in 2026.